A secured credit card can help build credit only if the card issuer reports your account to the major credit bureaus and you use the card responsibly. The security deposit by itself does not improve your credit score. By the end of this video, you'll know how secured cards affect your credit, what they can't do, and how to get the best results from one. The short answer is yes. A secured card can help your credit because it works like a regular credit card. Your payment history, balance, and account age can all become part of your credit report if the issuer reports to the major credit bureaus. Lenders and scoring models care about those factors, not whether the card is secured or unsecured. The first thing to check before applying is whether the issuer reports your account consistently. If it doesn't, using the card perfectly won't have the same impact on your credit profile. Most well-known secured card issuers do report, but it's still worth confirming before you submit an application. Using the card the right way matters just as much as getting approved. Make a small purchase each month, pay the balance on time, and avoid carrying a large balance close to your statement closing date. Paying late or maxing out the card can hurt your credit instead of helping it. Another thing to understand is that a secured card is not a fast fix. Credit scores usually improve as positive payment history builds over time. If you have missed payments, collections, or other negative information already on your report, a secured card helps by adding new positive history. But it does not erase older problems. You should also avoid opening a secured card and then leaving it unused. Many issuers can close inactive accounts, which may reduce the benefit you were trying to build. Setting up a small recurring payment, such as a streaming subscription, and enabling automatic payments is an easy way to keep the account active. If your issuer offers a path to upgrade to an unsecured card, maintaining good payment habits may also improve your chances of qualifying when the issuer reviews your account. So the bottom line is simple. A secured card helps credit when it reports to the major bureaus, you pay on time, and you keep balances under control. The deposit is there to secure the account, not to raise your score. Your next step is to verify the reporting policy before applying and commit to using the card consistently every month. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward credit and personal finance guides.